Look at this. It's like docking. It's like docking a space station, but it's in a box. Hello, you're watching Unboxing Things, a show where we unbox your favorite e-commerce brands and we talk all about the boxes, because here at Lumi, we make boxes, and so we're pretty into them. Let's see what's in my handy dandy mailbox today. Oh, it's a big one. I gotta work out. All right. Ooh, it's methodology. Methodology is awesome. They ship meals based on your food goals and dietary restrictions straight to your doorstep weekly. All you have to do is open them up and sometimes heat them up. I want to actually figure out what I can tell from the outside without opening my eyes first. So what I can tell is this is an RSC style box. How do I know when my eyes are literally closed? Well, I can tell that there's a piece of tape on the top, there's a piece of tape on the bottom, and also you saw me with my eyes open, dummies. That's how I know. What can I tell from the outside of this box with my eyes open? Well, it looks like a two-color box. You got your peach color here, you got your black color. But something is going on here, because when you flip it around, this color and this color are actually different. What is going on? Effectively, this is actually the white color of the box, and this is a printed tone. So it actually is sort of a blush, light cream hue. It's really beautiful. So when you look at the box from this angle, it kind of just looks like this is the color of the material, but they've actually fully flood coat printed this part as well. And then they have this reversed out, meaning this is the actual natural color of the material with no ink on it. Now, why did they do this? One, it gives them the ability to emphasize something without additional ink. So this says, be kind, discard ice packs, recycle, box jars, liners, meal containers. So something really neat about this is they're choosing to add a piece of emphasis right to the recycling instructions, which really shows you where their priorities are. Same deal here. If you look closely, you can see that the methodology and gomethodology.com are also actually in the pure white color, the material color, not this hue. So this adds additional contrast. High contrast usually means it's a focal point, and it makes sense because this is the logo. But the visual delights never end here, folks, because I love the fact that it goes method, what's gonna happen, what's gonna happen, ology. I knew that. It was like not so much of a spoiler, but it's really cool to have something wrap around the side. So often, brands look at each panel of a box as though it needs to just exist, but things can wrap around the panels very easily because, as you know, if you've been watching, boxes are printed flat. So this piece of material starts flat, so there's no problem printing something that is ultimately going to fold and wrap around the edge. You got a BMC down here, a box maker certificate, and what can I learn? I can learn that this is a single wall box, meaning it's just one piece of corrugate. It's got a burst test of 200. It's got a size limit of 75 inches and gross weight of 65 pounds. Gross weight of 65 pounds. That means that this box is rated to hold 65 pounds before it explodes. No, I'm kidding. It usually won't explode. It just won't do its box thing. It will drop contents, rip, tear, crush, etc. We mentioned this is an RSC style box. They're sealing it with clear tape on the top and bottom. You can see here as well that the print actually doesn't extend to the bottom of the box. They're keeping the bottom of the box just the natural white color of the material. It kind of signifies to the UPS, FedEx, or carrier person that this is the bottom. By making it actually kind of unattractive, meaning it doesn't have the other colors on it, it seems natural to set the box this way. Also on the outside, they've got a couple of thermal labels here that say my name and have a QR code and my address. Because they're packing out food custom for me, they probably have a system at their warehouse to make sure that each package has the right contents, it's going to the right location. There's probably an inventory system involved here. You've got some practical stuff here, fragile, perishable. These are call outs actually to the carriers as well to make sure that this package arrives safely. Prepare, snap, share, hashtag go methodology, a little bit of a social call out. And then of course, the brand's kind of messaging, food as medicine. This is a really powerful messaging. It's kind of reminding you why you are buying from Methodology. We're gonna go right in now. All right. Okay. I already see some fluffiness. This is insulation. Then I've got a pack slip here. It actually tells me my menu. It gives me the date, my name, the item, all the caloric intake, and also the prep instructions. This is really convenient. Right off the bat, I've got this. Also just a single piece of paper, very easy to recycle. I open this, and then I can actually start unpacking my food items. This is actually just craft paper filler, very easy to recycle. And then you arrive at the items themselves. Then the food is just right in here. There's also an ice pack. So once I remove my food, I will remove both ice packs, and then I can actually take out my insulation. I want to show you how the insulation is put inside. Often insulation is put together as two little U's. Look at this. It's like docking. It's like docking a space station, but it's in a box, and it's insulation. So you got your two U's. You see one, boop. The other, boop. What does a U look like when it's stretched back out? An I, or a flat piece of material. But this isn't just any insulation. We open a lot of boxes that have insulation in them, but this one is a Renew liner, curbside recyclable insulated shipping system. It means that this liner has no PVC, papers, and other materials to contaminate the polyester recycling stream. The fill is recycled PET staple fiber, and the film is 100% PET. So this is really cool. You're not seeing a lot of brands using this quite yet. It's really quite an innovation here. You've got the actual liner material, and it's bonded to this other material. But it being bonded is fine for recycling because they are actually made out of the same plastic code. For practicality's sake, you can take this and recycle it. The ice pack itself is also recyclable. You cut open the plastic pouch and you actually dispose of the ice. You let it kind of melt out. It's non-toxic. You can put that into a waste bin. And then it says rinse plastic and recycle in number 4 receptacle. So the plastic bag itself is a number 4 plastic and can just be recycled as such once it's rinsed out and devoid of the ice component. These are also reusable. So before you just kind of recycle them, you can think to yourself, do you need an ice pack for something else? Are you packing something up? Do you want to throw them in a cooler and use them? Because if so, you can just put them in your freezer and then reuse them. They are reusable. Methodology is doing a great job making their whole unboxing experience beautiful but also recyclable, all the way down to their containers as well. They're using a mix of plastic and glass, both of which can be recycled if you put in a little bit of effort. I think it's time to roll in the recap. Methodology, a really inspirational brand. But let's dig into what I love about their packaging. First up, it's systematic. There's something about the way that they put together the packaging, the containers, the layers of the experience that really bring to life that it's not just about keeping you fed, but it's about feeding you properly. Food as medicine, something that makes you feel better. It's a food system. Next up, it's clear. I mean that directly in the sense that the glass jars are clear. They look beautiful in your fridge because you can actually see the foods that you're eating, but also the clarity of language. They provide really simple ingredient lists, explicit instructions of how to heat the food up. They're very clear about the whole experience. And third, it's modern. There's something thoroughly modern about getting your food in transparent jars that look beautiful and aesthetic in your fridge, getting it in a box that has a beautiful design, more reminiscent of a graphic design studio than your latest food brand. Something is so beautiful about the way that they're putting together the experience. This has been Methodology Unboxed.